Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. If you look in my Dollhouse playlist, you'll see that I did a kitchen renovation 2024 where I took the kitchen from a very small half a downstairs to the whole of the downstairs, and I turned it into a kitchen dining room. When I first did it, it was set for Easter, so I've done a little refresh for the summer season and just made a few tweaks here and there, so that's what I'm going to share with you today. I made a few little stylistic changes. I took these little bits of fruit off the pink plate and put them onto a wooden cutting board. I thought that looks much nicer, and I've put that on the side with all my other chopping boards. During one of my little shopping visits to the range, I bought a couple of packets of beads so I could do some projects around the house. And I made some farmhouse beads, and I put some beads on a riser, and then I had these really teeny tiny beads left over, and I thought, yes, I'm going to use these for the dollhouse. So I've just got some thread, and I'm just threading them onto the thread to make a nice lovely long farmhouse beaded garland. So I'm using up most of the little beads that I have left, and then I've just used embroidery thread, so it's got a couple of strands on it, so when I tie it, it'll be a sort of like a little tassel on each end as well when I've finished, so that's really cool. And then I'm also going to use a couple of the bigger beads that I've got left as well. I'll show you what I did with those in a moment. So here I'm just tying up the garland, and that's going to look fantastic in the kitchen. I decided also to do a gallery wall, and I had a farmhouse calendar myself, and on the back of it came lots of little pictures of the pictures inside. So obviously I cut those out to use as artwork in the dollhouse. So I'm going to use those on the gallery wall. And then I had a little space left, so I just got a piece of card, covered it with my Marble Effect sticky back plastic, and then had a look through my little stickers that you can stick in your diary, and got some inspirational quotes. So I've created a little bespoke artwork piece there to go in amongst the farmhouse style pictures, and then also just to add a different shape and to fill the gaps, I got two yellow buttons, and then stuck some of those stickers into the centre so you can't see their buttons anymore. And I thought a glass of wine, that's appropriate for the kitchen, and a sunshine one, that's appropriate for the summer. And I've used those pops of yellow, which I am using all the way around the kitchen for the summer season. So here is the kitchen looking refreshed for summer. So I have the front door comes into the kitchen, and I've got the little console shelf there with my little house book and plant, and a little umbrella by the door on the hook. And then I have my dining area with my farmhouse beads on the table. And here is my gallery wall with the lovely pictures looking fantastic, and my seating area, my banquette with my cushions on. And then I also have a yellow plant pot, bottle top, full of lemons. So that's another pop of yellow for summer. And I've got my ghost chairs there, and a plant in a pot, and a bee happy farmhouse picture. So that's the dining part of the kitchen. And then over on the island, you can see that the table mats match the runner on the dining table. And then I've kept the pop of yellow by having yellow plates. And I've just used one of those stickers, a little heart sticker, and I've done one on each plate. And then I've used the little wooden beads that I had, the little medium-sized ones, and I've put some yellow material through them as napkins. Got a little bowl of apples there that I made using some red beads and some little faux flow plants that I just popped in, and then I've also got my little vase there of flowers that was in the living room, but I thought it looked better in the kitchen. And then over here, I've got my flowers and florals on top. I've got a little pop of yellow on the pantry as well, a little yellow cooking book and a yellow pot. And then over in the coffee corner, I also have a yellow lid on one of the coffee jars so that, the pop of yellow theme is continuing. And then over here by my air fryer, I've got my lemon squash, my bee chopping board, and then my new chopping board with lemons on. So I think I've managed to make the garden, make the kitchen look really sunny and lovely for summer.
So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next time, take care. Bye-bye.